5 governors who know. Thank you.
I wouldn't shy to once again ask you, colleagues, for your total support in the delivery of the Big Four agenda as we continue to build our great nation and to serve our people. It is in this spirit that I welcome you all here today to strengthen our collaboration and to consolidate our constitutional order, and I therefore look to our fruitful deliberations. Over the past 5 years, Kenyans from all corners of this great nation have experienced the benefits of improved access to government services, courtesy of devolution. In particular, healthcare provision has been expanding as rural economies flourish with greater access to human as well as financial resources.